Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use MidJourney for free. So first of all, head over to your browser and at the top search bar, simply type in meta.ai. And if you do not have a Meta account, it will ask you to sign up. If you already have an account, sign in and you will see a page like this. Now, this is not exactly a MidJourney site. However, you can still use MidJourney and this is completely for free. Let's go ahead, create some image. Under what can I do for you, you're going to have to type in your prompt. So I'm going to type in my prompt to create an image. You can go ahead, type in your prompt and be as descriptive as possible, and then go ahead, select send. Now let's go ahead and wait for a while. And now you can see that it has generated me 4 images according to my prompt. If you would like to edit this one, say second image, you're going to have to click onto it. You can also animate it. So go ahead and select edit image and see anything. Let's say add a hat. Then select animate. Now as you can see, the animation is around 0 to 5 seconds. And if you would like to save it, once you're satisfied, select this download button right here. And once you do that, you can see that it has been downloaded. So just like so, this is how it's done. You can also create various other images and animated videos for minimum seconds using Meta AI. Thank you for watching.